why deep healing happens between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Now, I have been going to bed for many years around 9 p.m., 10 p.m., common there between my times, but generally not any later. And I wouldn't say I knew exactly why I was doing it, but my intuition was telling me, get to bed early, get up early, go rest, slow down when the sun comes down, and get up when the sun is light, or a little bit before in my case, because I do love the quiet mornings. I'm usually up around 5 a.m. It's my favorite time of the day. This window of 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. is called the golden hours of sleep in traditional Chinese medicine, and also aligns with what science is saying too about the circadian rhythms and also organ detox cycles. I have been recommending to do this for years. Sleep is number one priority out of everything. The main one is it gives your liver a detox between this time. TCM wisdom, which is the traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is most active between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. But for it to do its deep work, you need to be asleep way before then. That's why they recommend the 10 p.m. ideally. What does the liver do? You're asking, well, why does it matter? It matters because the liver filters out toxins like mold, mycotoxins. I suffered from this last year, and luckily it wasn't to a real dangerous level, but I did get coughs from time to time. I didn't realize this was massively affecting my health. And if your system's compromised, you're not getting the quality sleep, not going to sleep at those times, and also eating a raw vegan diet, you are compromising your system. The liver also processes hormones, supports digestion, metabolism, and emotional regulation such as anger and grief. When you're awake during those hours, your body is in a sympathetic stress state, so the liver can't shift into a healing state. The next one is melatonin. Melatonin starts ramping up after sunset and peaks around midnight. It's not just a sleep hormone, but it's also that protects your cells. It's critical for mitochondrial repair. So say hello to energy. That is why I take no stimulants. I don't have caffeine. I don't have alcohol. I don't take anything fake. I have natural energy because I get good quality deep sleep. Melatonin also supports the brain's glymphatic system, which clears toxin from the brain, especially after mold exposure. I'm going to go further into this about my mold experience. If you're up scrolling or wired late, your melatonin gets suppressed and you miss this deep regeneration window. The next thing, it's imperative, it's a hormone reset period and tissue repair. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your growth hormone spikes. This is your repair hormone, rebuilding muscle, skin, and internal tissues. Also, cortisol, your stress hormone, it's at its lowest if your sleep rhythm is synced, helping you stay in a healing parasympathetic state. This is when your body is doing its heavy lifting of detoxifying, repairing, rebuilding, all behind the scenes. So if you're asleep before 10 p.m., kudos to you. Let your liver and lymph system clear out toxins effectively. It maximizes melatonin levels and mitochondrial repair. It heals your nervous system so you're not prone to sickness and disease, and heals your adrenals naturally. It supports your brain in flushing out mold related neurotoxins and many other things as well. Get to bed before 10 p.m. and have that deep, which we call it REM, rapid eye movement sleep, deep state sleep, and eat a high or fully raw vegan diet and watch your health absolutely transform. Begin that healing naturally. If you want more support on your journey, I do offer one-on-one coaching and also my membership. All that is in the description box below. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, also turn on the bell notification to be notified of when the next videos are. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.